If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in advanced level where you are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on sequence and series. So today we will be solving from question number 1 to question number 5. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, if you see question number 1, the harmonic mean of the roots of the equation is this. So harmonic mean, you know, if alpha beta are the two roots, so 2 into alpha beta by alpha plus beta. Alpha beta you can find using quadratic minus c by a and then minus b by. You put this value, that is 2c by minus b. You put c is this much, b is this much, then you get this answer, that is 4. Now if you come to 1b, let a1 up to a10 be in ap and h1 to h10 be in ap. a1 h1 is given, a10 h10 is given, then they are asking you to find a4 and h7. Again, what is given to you? A10 is given to you, so you know the formula for a10, a plus and 9d is equal to 3. First term is always given already, so you can calculate d. Here also in h, you know, because it is in hp, so you inverse it. We do hp always by inversing it, making it ap. So 1 by h1, that will go to ap. So this is your first term in ap, 1 by 2, and this is your 10th term, 1 by 3. So you know the formula for, again for ap, it is a plus nd is n minus 1d is equal to that final term, 10th term. So this is first term, this is 10th term, this is your d, but this d is for ap, that means for this one, not for h1 h2, not this one, just inverse of that one. So if you add, you need h7, so you calculate 1 by h7 from ap. So if you calculate 1 by h7, then it will be 1 by h1, the first term, plus 6 into that difference you. So if you apply it here, you will find it 1 by h7 is this one, so h7 will be this one, and here you calculated a4, you take product of this one, you will get 6. Now in question number 2, the sum of the infinite GP is 162 and the sum of its first n term is 160. If the inverse of the common ratio is an integer, so that you have to be careful, inverse of its common ratio. So the infinite GP is given, so infinite GP sum is this one and sum up to n terms is this one, so these two are given. So a 1 by r you know already, so you put it there, you will find 1 r to the power n is this one. That means 1 by r to the power n is 81. Now because 1 by r is an integer, they have given the inverse of its common ratio is an integer. So this should be integer, means 1 by r can be either 3 or n, because integer power, that should come also your 81. That should be, that means some integral power it will come. So if you take 3, then 4 will come. If you take 9, then 2 will come. Or hardly it can go 81. But if you see, if you put 3, then your n is 4. If you put 9, then n is 2. N is equal to 2 doesn't make any sequence. So that's why I've written in the starting, the sequence, for a sequence you need to have 3 terms at least, then you know the pattern which is following it. So here n naught cannot be 2, and you cannot obviously take 81, because if you take 81, then n is equal to 1, which is not also possible. So the possible is only 1 by r is equal to 3. That means 3 or minus 3, both you can be possible. So your r can be 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 3. So this is one answer. Then number of term will be equal to 4. And what they asked you to find the first terms also, the first terms of the series. So what will be the first term? So you put it in the formula equation 1. You put r equal to 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 3, you will get 2a. So the 2 first term can be possible, 2 ratios can be possible, but number of terms is only 4. Consider an infinite GP with first term a and common ratio r. If the sum is 4, then the second term is 3 by 4 then. So everything is given to you, this is given to you, and the second term is given 3 by 4. Sum is infinite sum. So infinite sum is given 4 and second term is 3 by 4. So from here you can calculate, you put the value of a, you can easily calculate, put this a here, and then you will find the equation of r. You will find 1 3 by 4, 1 by 4. If it is 3 by 4, then your a should be 1. If it is 1 by 4, then it should be 3. So from option you will find option D is only having a equal to 3 and r equal to 1 by 4. Both these are possible, but D is only in the option. Now if you come to 3b, if a, b, c, d are the positive numbers such that a, b plus c, d or a plus b plus c plus d equal to 2, m is equal to something a plus b into c plus d, satisfies the relation. Now here you can see, if you take these two separate, then this is sum, this is product. And what is the relation between sum and product? This is the relation, am is always greater than equal to gm, because two numbers, am will be equal to this plus this divided by 2, and gm will be equal to this into this under root. So if you take 2 that side, this is already given to you 2, so 2 by 2 1. So obviously this will be greater than equal to 1, that is m, so m should be less than equal to 1. So that is your option A. Now if you come to 3, the fourth power of the common difference, fourth power, to the power 4 of the common difference of an arithmetic progression with all integer entries are added to the product of any 4 consecutive terms of it. Prove that the resulting sum is a square. So suppose if I take the fourth term of an AP, generally I take it in this way. What will be the common difference? 2D. So now what they are asking, the sum, this one, fourth power of this common difference plus product of all 4 consecutive terms should be an integer. Now without doing all these things also, all these steps, you can easily say, because the common difference of an arithmetic all integer entries. So this is integer, so this is integer, this is integer, this is integer, and because they are integers, so their difference will be also integer. So that means this difference, this is also integer. So integer to the power 4 will also be an integer. All integer products will be also an integer. So if you take sum, that will also be integer, obviously. So you can write it into 3 lines and you can prove it. So no need to go this way. Given alpha and gamma are the roots of the equation this, and beta and gamma are the roots of the equation this, then find the values of a, b such that alpha, beta, gamma are in HB. So here I have done this way, but it's simple. You can do any number of ways. There are lots of ways you can do. So these are in HP, so that means these are in AP. I will always convert it into AP. I have taken it dash dash dash. You can name it, or without naming also you can go. So such that these are the roots of this one, and these are the roots. So 1 by alpha, 1 by gamma will be roots of the which equation? So you can do that way, or you can put alpha plus gamma is equal to this, and instead of and alpha into gamma is equal to. So without going this way also, here what I have done I will show you. Suppose they are the roots, so alpha plus gamma will be equal to 4 by a, and alpha gamma is equal to a. Now you put alpha gamma, this one. This is 1 by alpha, 1 by gamma. So in place of alpha you can put it a. Suppose I have taken k, this one is k, this one is k plus d, k plus 2d, k plus 3d. So you can put k plus, first one is k, obviously 1 by alpha, that means 1 by k, that is 1 by k plus d, 4 by a, and it will be 1 by k and 1 by k plus d is equal to 4. You can take LCM, you will find the equation between these two, and from the second one also you will get. So using that you can do it. Or what I have done here, so equation with alpha dash gamma dash, what will be, because alpha dash and gamma dash, what is the relation? This is just the inverse of alpha and gamma. So if you have a root equation whose roots alpha beta, you need to find the equation whose roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by gamma. So then using theory of equation, I think I have explained in quadratic equation, not sure. So in place of x you replace 1 by x, because in place of roots you are replacing 1 by of that roots, so your x should also replace, because I have taken, what is the solution of this one? X equal to alpha, because you take 1 by alpha, that means 1 by x is equal to 1 by alpha. So you get some equation where 1 by x is a variable. In that equation that will be root. So that's why I am putting here 1 by x in place of x. So this is the equation. You change c and a position, it will be c x square bx plus a. So obviously alpha dash gamma dash will be roots of this equation. If you put 1 by x, this will come here, a will go that side, to this one, and your beta dash gamma dash will be roots of, again this will go this side. Now from here it will get little easy life. Sum is 4, product is, because a is already gone from this one, from this sum, so it becomes little easy equations. So in place of alpha you will put k, in place of gamma dash you will put k plus 2d. So you got a equation of k and d. Similarly you got from the second one also equation k and d. Similarly for second one also, beta dash gamma dash equal to 6. From here also you are getting, solving these two equations you can easily find. Once you know k day, you know alpha dash beta dash, then obviously you can find what they are asking. Find the values of a, b. You can find easily a, b, what is a and what is b. Take product, alpha dash gamma dash. If you take product of this one, a, that is c by, which is 4. So from here you can get easily a and b. Now if you come to 5, the sum of the roots of this equation is equal to the sum of the squares of the reciprocal. Sum of this equal to sum of the squares of the reciprocal. Find whether these are in AP, HP or GP. So you put this value, alpha plus beta, you know. For this you have to do some LCM here, and you have to write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. You know what is alpha beta, you know what is alpha plus beta. If you do and then you take LCM, you can find this equation. Once you know this equation, you know, because 2b equal to a plus c means they are in ABC are in AP. So obviously because this is showing this, so this this, or reverse also. You can write this, either ABC or CBA. Both will be in AP. If one is increasing, one will be decreasing. So obviously they are in AP. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.